Hi guys,
Hello everybody, this is
Miss Kiman and
Mr.Gary, and today we're going to talk about the coronavirus, hence why we're wearing these. Okay, so let's look at some steps to protect yourself. Okay, so number one,
the most important thing that we need to wash our hand more often.
yeah, and number two, we can use hand sanitizer. Okay, hand sanitizer. And number three, can I?
Number three, that we need to stay away from crowded places.
Good.
Yes.
And number four, stay away also from infected or sick people, okay? And number five, can I?
Yes, number five, that we need to wear our mask when we go outside.
Awesome. So that's all the steps from Yes English here, from
Miss Kiman.
Mr. Gary. Everybody, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
See ya.
Bye.